Alright, welcome back guys. This is episode 4 of the DSG Swap in my Golf, and in this episode we're gonna remove the clutch, which we won't need anymore, as well as do the wiring for both the DSG box as well as the shifter. We need the CAN bus, the K line, and the positive and the negative. So there's some wires to do. We're gonna splice that in the stock harness, and yeah, of course, if you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe if you want to see more. I see a lot of you watching, but yeah, if you subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. Let's go. Alright guys, so me and my brother have been working on the car for a bit, and now we got the clutch out of the car. So I thought I might show you guys, because there's a lot of parts in here. So yeah, check this out here. As you can see, this is the complete clutch assembly, and to remove it you need to remove 2 nuts here on the bottom, and you got 1 nut on the top to be able to remove the clutch holder. But we had to get rid of the whole pedal, and to do that you need to get rid of this screw which holds the pedal, and then you can get rid of the spring here, since it's spring loaded, and after that you can remove the clutch. I don't know if you call it the master cylinder or something, but the cylinder that pushes the fluid to the clutch, master clutch cylinder. So yeah, I think the easiest part is to do like we did. You remove the screw to the pedal and the spring, and that makes which makes it possible to remove the clutch pedal with these clips here. You remove 1 clip there and 1 clip there, and you can remove the mount to the cylinder as well, and you get the clutch pedal removed. And after that you only need to get rid of the hose from the brake cylinder, as well as the clip here. You need to loosen that to get rid of the line to the master cylinder. And after all that is done, you can remove the whole mount with the small cylinder to get that removed. Now I'm going to put the mount back again. I'm going to disassemble all this because you have a bracket here between the clutch cylinder, the clutch pedal, and the brake pedal. So I just want it to be as sturdy as it can be. So I'm going to put this back in without, of course, the clutch pedal and everything, just the mount, to get it a little bit more sturdy. So yeah, that's how it's looking so far. Alright guys, today is Saturday. Saturday? What? Today is Sunday. Yesterday I built this little wiring harness for the shifter, which is going to be plugged in on the, what's it called? The OBD outlet. You got all the cables that you need there, so I'll be plugging that in there. Only need a short amount of wire, so that's nice. And today I was thinking about doing the DSG harness, and I think I'm going to be running it up to the water tray where the ECU sits, because I need to plug it in between the engine ECU and the ABS pump. So yeah, I think I'll be doing that. I got all the connections there as well, so might as well be doing it up there, I guess. So yeah, it looks like this. I did a little bit yesterday, so I got the T20 connector, I got the positive and negatives done, and now I need to do the CAN high and CAN low and the K CAN as well. So yeah, I'll be doing that today. Hopefully plugging it in as well, making it looking real clean. That's the idea at least, so let's go. Now, I don't know if I told you before, but we got, oh, I can't see it anymore. I got a new connector for the DSG, what's it called? The starter. And I've done the wiring here now, so loosely of course, but it goes to the ECU here, or right before the ECU. So I got the adapter harness because I'm running an ECU master, so I cut everything that I could in there, and then I spliced in the K-can, the K-line I had to do before the adapter harness because you don't have that running to the ECU master. And I also got this done. It's pretty dark, but I got everything wired here on the OBD reader. So you got the cable here, and it's running to the ECU, or no, not the ECU, but what's it called? To the shifter. So it goes from the shifter to the OBD reader. So pretty much everything should be plugged in now. Loosely, of course, because I'm gonna test and verify that it actually works. But yeah, let's see if we can start this. Alright guys, so we've done some wiring today. We got the gearbox connected, the mechatronic, as well as the shifter. This is not going to be much longer of an episode because right now I just need to know from the tuner that I got everything plugged in right. So there's no real way for me to test it, but the wiring is done, pretty much. I need to tidy things up and tuck it away like I want it, but we got the wiring to where it wants to be, basically, or where it needs to be. So yeah, this is probably going to be the end of this video, part 4. So yeah, if you like the video, like it, don't forget to comment if you're wondering anything, and subscribe, of course, if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.